Unlock typing mastery with JR Typing Tutor 9.2. Welcome to a new era of typing mastery with JR Typing Tutor 9.2. This fun, interactive software is designed to make learning typing skills easy and enjoyable. Dive into various engaging lessons tailored for all skill levels. Whether you're a beginner or looking to improve, JR Typing Tutor 9.2 has something for everyone. Experience a user-friendly interface that guides you through each step. The intuitive design ensures that you can focus on learning without any distractions. Tired of monotonous typing exercises? JR Typing Tutor 9.2 offers exciting games that make practice enjoyable. Improve your speed and accuracy while having fun. Track your progress with real-time feedback and detailed reports. See how you're improving with each session and stay motivated to reach your goals. Customize your learning experience with personalized lessons. Adjust the difficulty level and choose exercises that suit your individual needs and preferences. Learn at your own pace with the flexible schedule options. Whether you have a few minutes or an hour, JR Typing Tutor 9.2 fits your lifestyle. Join a community of learners and share your achievements. Compete in typing challenges and connect with others who are also on their typing journey. Start your journey to becoming a typing pro today. JR Typing Tutor 9.2 is the fun and effective way to master typing skills. Let's get typing.